Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Architect Learning Plan. Lecture 4, Architecting Serverless Solutions. Architecting serverless solutions involves designing applications where the cloud provider manages the infrastructure, allowing developers to focus on writing code. In AWS, serverless architecture typically includes services like AWS Lambda for compute, Amazon API Gateway for API management, Amazon S3 for storage, and Amazon DynamoDB for databases. Here are key principles. 1. Event-driven design. Utilize events to trigger functions and workflows, enabling scalable and responsive applications. AWS Lambda functions can be invoked by events from S3, DynamoDB, API Gateway, and more. 2. Microservices approach. Break down the application into smaller, independent services that can be developed, deployed, and scaled separately. This enhances modularity and flexibility. 3. Stateless functions. Design Lambda functions to be stateless, ensuring that they can be run independently and scale horizontally without dependency on previous executions. For security, implement security best practices by managing access and permissions through AWS Identity and Access Management (IAM), and ensure secure communication with API Gateway using authorization and API keys. 5. Monitoring and logging. Use AWS CloudWatch to monitor, log, and set alarms for your serverless applications. This helps in tracking performance, diagnosing issues, and maintaining reliability. 6. Performance optimization. Optimize function performance by managing memory allocation, reducing cold starts through provisioned concurrency, and efficiently handling resource-intensive tasks. By following these principles, you can create scalable, cost-effective, and maintainable serverless applications that leverage the benefits of AWS managed services.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.